Hi everyone, welcome to the course. Today we will be starting with the React router. And what is React router? Let's suppose that you have a navigation bar and you want to redirect to those navigation points. For example, you have home, products, category, about us, context us, and now you want to redirect to the page or you want to move to the page of context us. So you will click on that particular link and you will reach to context us. Similarly, let's assume that you want to go to products section, so you will click on products and you will reach to that. For that we have a React DOM library which will help us to browse the different navigation. So first of all, what you will need to do, you need to install it. And how you will be installing it, let me just show you. See, you will do npm I react router DOM. Okay, so this will install your React router DOM. And after that, what you need to do, it got installed fast because I have already installed that and I installed again. Now you remember that I have this header. So now let's npm run start and it will open it in the browser. Yeah, so it's here in the browser. Now what do I want? Right now I'm clicking, so nothing is happening. For that I need to change this list to link. We have link in our React router DOM which will be helping me to redirect to different things. So I want these to be done at the same time, so I will do this link. Okay, done. So let's change this also to link. Now this is done. Okay, what do I want to do? I want to create one home.jsx. okay, RAFCE. And in this thing I want to render my header. Now why, I will tell you that why I want to render my header component over here. Okay, done. And to this thing I want to come to my app and I will remove this thing from here. Now you need to create a browser router. Now what this browser router will do, it will initiate or enable your routing. And after that you need to have routes. So routes will what it will do is it will contain your all the paths. Okay, and let's have route, and route will have a single path. Okay, route. So after that you need to go with path. And path, let's suppose home is always your slash the home when you have localhost, 3000. Okay, so that means initially you want to have the home. Now in element you want to have your component. So which component you want to run initially? My home component. Okay, so this is done. And now I need to close my route. Now if you refresh it, you will see that your home is perfectly running over here. Now how it came that to my route I have path this. Okay, and home I have the home component. So that is why it is by default my home component. By default path is slash. Even if you put slash over here, okay, and you put enter, so it will be like this only. So to this header, what do I want to do? To this home I want to remove this. Okay, and I will go with 2. Wherever the initial point is, you need to write over here your, in the app you will write a path. Okay, and wherever you want to redirect you will write 2 and you will put the same path. Okay, in this way it will recognize it. So let's suppose now you click on this thing, it will not change because you are initially at home. And now let's change this to, I want to do it as service, let's suppose. Fine. And come to your home, not app.js, and I want to have one more route. In this thing I am going to have my path as home or services, because home is already done, services is here, and in services I want to render card component. Okay, so let's go with card. Okay, so here I have my card component. So you can see that it is not imported. So if it is not getting imported, so you can import it manually. What you will do, you will write import card from, and you will just put the path of your component. Let's suppose here it is card, click on this, right? So card is not defined, it is saying, yeah, now it's working. So click on this services. Okay, services there, here it is services. So put services, go back, refresh it, and now click on this thing. You will see that your all the cards are here. This is how your linking can be done. Now let's add a path for this particular link. So move to this header, and to this header, to login page, as I know that I have already form component, so I will go with login slash login. Okay, and this login route I will be putting it over here. Let's go to your app.js and put a route of login. Now put a route over here, and in path you will have your login. Your spelling should be same, and to element what you can do is you can put form component. So go with form component. So it is also not coming manually, or you don't have to worry, just do it by your own. Okay, put a form component, and after that you just import it from here, form component. Okay, so I think it's done now, and you need to close this thing. Done. Now refresh it, go to login, and when you click on login, okay, so login is here, and let's check the header part. Header, and login is there. Login is perfect. I guess something is wrong with this particular thing. So form component, just check your spellings. Form component. Okay, this, put it over here and put it over here. Remove this thing, put a slash, remove this thing, and go back, refresh it once, click on this. Yeah, so now your form is coming. So this is how you can do the dynamic routing. The only thing is, in the route your element will go, whatever, first of all your path will go, and after path you will put the component you want to display under that section. That section means whenever user clicks on login, what do you want to show, which component you want to show, that component you will be reflecting over here. Okay, so and to the link one you need to put 2, and you will put the same way path. Okay, so try to do it for your this particular about us and contact us also. I hope you have got the routing. Thank you so much everyone.